Hello everyone, this is the Andy from KIBTOY. Today I want to share a new toy with you. What is it? Ta-da! Yeah, it's a new airplane model. Actually, we have several colors. This lithium battery contains 300 mAh. It enables the plane to fly about 15 minutes. If you like this short video or you want to know more interesting about toys, please click the button to follow me. Next time, I will bring you more fun about toys.